What's up, y'all? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night, whatever you're from, tuning in this world. But today, we are going to do a little tidying up here in the studio, aka my living room. And we're just gonna do some cable management that I've never done. I've been putting it off because I actually hate it. It's one of the most things I dislike about technology is wires. Anyway, so excuse the mess. Just had breakfast. Went to Best Buy because we don't have a micro center here. But anyway, got these little sleeves, and then we have cable guides. So we're just gonna use all this to make this mess tidy. Alright, so I just started off my little journey here. It's getting some disinfectant Clorox, just wiping off my PC, my keyboard, and my mouse, and just kind of getting everything tidy and cleaned up there. And just start to unplug all my wires here just to get a better understanding of what I need to do, just to get a better organization flow. And I think I just started to go underneath and start using these channel guides and just putting them along just to tidy them up and just get everything nice and neat. So I'm grabbing some electrical tape here to just bundle the slack and just kind of keep them together. Just make everything more neat and tidy, like I said again. I'm also grabbing these commander strips and sticking them on the back of the power strip and just connecting them to the wall. Just make everything flow nice and neat. And don't forget to hydrate. So right here I'm trying to figure out which wires are going to go best together in length before I make the adjustment and put them in the sleeve. So just to show you guys what I'm doing under here, if you can see, I just got like little command strips here just to tidy it up, like here. And then I also did those, what do you call them? the wire guides on this side here. And then I'm just getting electrical tape to make it a little bit more neat and just kind of have then all this wire dangling in one little spot. The same thing right here. And also did little command strips. So I can post them on the back of the wall here. And I'm just doing a little electrical tape here just to keep the wrapping together. There's also like frayed ends in here. And then also like the ones that are bowing out. Like that. It's just a little tedious. You don't have to do this. I'm just doing it just because, I don't know, why not? I want to make it look right, right? So, anyway, let's get back to it. been about a week. This is how it looks when it's fully standing up. And how the desk is. This is how it looks when the desk is fully down. So yeah, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Let me know if you think you're going to do anything like this in your own setup. Peace.